Welcome back. Now once you have your school available, you're going to want to click on your school. You'll typically then see that you have a dashboard available to you. And if you've used the trial school, you're going to notice at the top that says your school is not live yet. Teachable will ask that you participate inside of their live webinar. Once you've signed up, the next step will be for you to create a product inside of Teachable. And this is the process that we will be walking through in this course, walking through teaching of a course as well as scheduling a time for coaching. You'll be able to customize your school, and that is a step to the process. You'll also then be able to set up your domain name. And what you'll be doing here is you'll be setting up a domain that will be the prefix to teachable.com. Now these are 4 steps that you will need to have completed before you can launch your school. And what you'll notice here is that your school is going to be grayed out until you complete these processes. You'll also notice at the bottom that you will start a trial, and that trial will last for 14 days. Now the trial that you'll be working with, according to Teachable, will be its professional plan, which is its middle tier plan. So you'll want to be aware of that as you utilize the features. You'll also want to be aware of this when you decide to upgrade your account, and that account will then be part of the professional tier. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.